Mexican television reporter Ines Sainz claims she was harassed by members of the New York Jets during a recent visit to the Jets training facility in New Jersey. According to several media reports, Sainz claims Jets players and coaches harassed her during a September 11, 2010 visit to the Jets facility to interview Jets quarterback Mark Sanchez. The New York Daily News says that Sainz was reportedly harassed by catcalls, whistling, and extended stares by the players. The New York Post said Sainz claims that during practice, which media members were allowed to attend, Jets head coach Rex Ryan and defensive backs coach Dennis Thurman purposefully overthrew passes so they would land near her on the sidelines. The NFL and the Jets organization are said to be investigating the reports and gathering facts about Sainz' claims. New York Jets owner Woody Johnson reportedly met with Sainz on Sunday, September 12, 2010 to discuss the situation. In a prepared statement, the Jets organization said that Johnson stressed to Ines that he expects all members of the Jets organization to conduct themselves in a professional manner at all times. In the statement, the Jets said they will continue to work with the league to gather the facts, adding that they will take appropriate steps necessary to maintain a respectful environment for the media. The New York Daily News reported that someone from the Jets public relations staff addressed the players about the incident at a team meeting on the evening of September 12, 2010. The Jets were preparing to open their NFL regular season against the Baltimore Ravens on Monday Night Football on September 13, 2010. Ines Sainz took to her Twitter account to discuss the incident, saying she didn't feel she was inappropriately dressed and that she didn't invite the unwanted attention. Sainz also tweeted a photo of her outfit on the day in question, jeans and a white blouse. In subsequent tweets on the morning of September 13, 2010, Sainz thanked fans for support, adding that it will be up to the NFL to decide whether or not there will be consequences. For more information on this topic, visit the link below.